Hello, Thompson Tigers, and here's part 3 of our Artists Observe unit. Last class, we focused on using the hand for observation drawing. Today, we are going to focus on something a little different. So I want you guys to go into your houses and bring back a shoe. That is right, a shoe. For this project, we are going to carefully observe and draw a shoe. Now, the more detailed the shoe, the better, because the more it exercises those observation muscles in your brain. So if you go to Google Classroom and go to classwork, scroll down to Artists Observe, you'll see that there's a contour shoe drawing Padlet link. I'm going to go to my sample Padlet, and I'm going to move my face here. So when you are drawing your shoe, a couple of important things to keep in mind. Number one, oops, my lights went out. All right, number one, we are going to use the same strategy that we use for our hand. So pick a spot on the shoe, and as you let your eyes travel over the shoe, your hand is going to travel with it. So your eyes go straight up the back of the boot, your hand goes straight up. Your eyes notice that the line goes in, your hand goes in. The line curves up and in gently with little bumps where these details are. Your hand follows, adds in those little bumps, adds in that gentle curve. So the more you practice, the more your hand will accurately follow what your eyes see. And please work with a pencil, because it's totally okay if I make this gentle curve in my drawing, but on my paper, maybe my curve is too deep and it just doesn't look right. Grab your eraser, erase the line, and try again. With enough practice, you will be able to accurately mirror with your hand what your eyes see. Okay, so when you are done with your drawing, which should take about 10 minutes, in class we took 10 minutes to do this drawing, I want you to add as much detail as possible. You're going to upload a picture of your shoe to the Padlet. Let me grab my shoe drawing here. I did my sneaker the other day. So please click the pink plus sign on the bottom. Again, write your name. These Padlets are divided by your class, so you don't have to write your hour. But I do want you to type two things in the type something box. Number one, I would like for you to please tell me what is one thing that you like about how your drawing turned out, and please be specific. Don't just generally say, I like it, it's great. Be very specific. Like, did you like the way that the shoe shape turned out? Did you like the details that you added? Did you like the way that you drew the shoelaces? Be very specific. And then number two, if you were to change one thing about your drawing, what would it be? So what would you improve on? Okay, again, be very, very, very specific. I don't want you to say, everything, or nothing, my drawing is perfect. I want you to pick one thing that you could improve on for this question. Then just click the camera. 3, 2, 1. Click and save. All right, and you are done with day 2. After day 2, you can prepare for your final project, which I will go over in the next video.